Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a super easy yarn wrapped wall hang. I hope you like it. You will need some macrame cotton. I use 5mm, some yarn in various colours. You want to make these into smaller bundles so they're easier to handle while wrapping, some twine for added texture, some scissors and a measuring tape. For this piece, I cut 15 4-metre lengths of macrame cotton. I tied a small piece of twine about 50 centimetres from the end to mark where I would like to start wrapping. Choose the colour you would like to start with and create a U shape with the yarn. The length of this U should be about how long you want that block of colour to be. Next, you take your yarn and wrap it over the tail end of the cotton, making sure to hold everything firmly in place. Continue wrapping, keeping the thread as close together as you can without overlapping. Close any small gaps by pushing up the thread with your fingernail. Just remember to keep the tension quite firm as you wrap. Take the end of your yarn and thread it through the loop. To finish, pull the tail at the top. This will pull through the loop and the end of the yarn at the bottom of the colour. I like to push up the thread at the bottom just to make sure there are no gaps. To start the next colour, it's exactly the same process. Just remember where you start wrapping, keep that yarn as close to the previous colour as you can. An easy way to add texture to your piece is by doing a simple crossover pattern. Before you fasten off the colour, add a length of yarn through the loop. Use a contrasting colour next. Continue wrapping, leaving the additional yarn strands separate. When your next colour is complete, take the strand and add a crossover pattern along the length. Try to keep your spacing even. To fasten, tie the strand to an inside piece of the macramé cotton using a simple knot.
With the wrapping complete, it's time to create your own unique piece. I like to use small sections of yarn wrapping to secure my design. Make sure to place the U shape along the flat part of the rope to help anchor it in place. Play with shape, curves, knots or swirls to make your design as simple or complex as you like. This part is really about creating an individual design. Continue to tie and manipulate your rope until you're happy with the way it looks. Make sure to remove any remaining thread, trim the cotton strands for a neat finish. Your piece is ready to hang.